Are you uploading video and still not get viewers and subscribers? You might be making these 3 common mistakes that small YouTubers don't even realize they are making. Let's fix them. The number one mistake small YouTubers always make is talking to the camera without a clear hook. The moment you start your teaching, it should be hooked at the first 10 seconds of your video. Remember, once people click on your video, they are expecting to get value, solutions to their problem. That is not time for you to start introducing yourself. Hello guys, my name is this, my name is that. People don't really know you, so no need of introducing yourself. All you need to do at that first 10 seconds of that video is to give value to them, promise them value at the end of that video, or giving them solution to their problem once they come to your channel. Because people leave your channel the first 10 seconds they click on a video and they did not get the value that they expect, they did not get the solution they expect, they click off immediately. The time you need to get people on your video, there is the first 10 seconds. Make sure it has value, that it hook them to keep to the end of that video. Because once people get value to what you want to teach them, the value you promise to give them at the end of the video, that is what will keep people to keep watching the video to the end of that your video. If they click that first 10 seconds of that video, they did not get value to that video, and they did not get any promise ahead that they will still receive something at the end of this video, they will click off. So no need of you to start introducing yourself. What you will do is that before you start your video, try and write down your hook before you start even creating your content. Write down your hook. Like you can write down, if you are making video concerning how to get 1,000 subscribers, you can say, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers even as a beginner. So this should help people. Somebody that is looking for 1,000 subscribers will stick around to the end of that video to learn how to get that 1,000 subscribers. This means you have promised the person value, you have promised the person something, and also you have given the person solution to that person's problem. Remember, once somebody click on your video, they have issues or problems that they're looking for solution. So you have to offer them that solution, and for you to offer them that solution, you have to let them know at that first 10 seconds that there is value in this video, there is solution in this video. So that is the hook you need to give them the first 10 to 15 seconds of that video. Number 2 mistake that small YouTubers make, and they don't even realize they are making it, is posting random videos without a clear niche. A lot of people make this mistake. I made this mistake as well. As a new YouTuber, you start posting different kinds of things. Today you are into cooking, tomorrow you are into AI, next tomorrow you are into entertainment, another day you are into teaching. So they keep posting a lot of things, different kinds of things on their channel, and they expect growth. You posting random videos will hurt your channel because the algorithm will be confused on who to send your videos to. If you are into cooking, stick with cooking. Don't go and start AI when you don't know much about AI. Even if you know much about AI, you don't join AI with cooking, because if you are into cooking and the algorithm takes your video to people that are into cooking today, tomorrow you are into AI, the algorithm also carry the video to the same people. They will not watch it. Before you know, the algorithm will be confused on who to post your video to. You don't need to start posting randomly. Pick a particular niche. Pick a particular niche. Picking your niche is going to base on what you are good at. Remember, YouTube is a seed. You need to pick something that you have patience on, something that will not burn you out, something that will not take most of your time. You have to make sure you pick something that you are good at, so that you keep posting it, keep nurturing it. Because if you're posting something that you need to struggle and get information before you can post, it's going to burn you out. You have to make sure you stick to a particular niche that you are good at, something you can do at ease, something that will not stress you out. Posting a particular niche will help to promote your video, because once you create a channel and you post a particular thing, YouTube is going to look for people that want that thing you create. And another thing is that people subscribing to your channel because they see you cooking, they like cooking, they subscribe to your channel. And remember, once you post your video, the first people that the algorithm is going to send your video to are those people that subscribe to your channel. Your subscribers, the algorithm is going to give your subscribers your videos. And once you give them this video and those people did not pay attention to that video, it's sending a bad signal to the algorithm that your content is not okay, even when you have a well packaged content in there. But because this is not what these people sign for, like me, I'm into teaching, and you are sending me a video about cooking, I may not be interested in it because that is not what I am. But when I subscribe to your channel, I subscribe to your channel as a teacher, and I wanted to learn more from you. But now you are sending me cooking. So it's not going to augur well. When I did not respond positively to this video, the algorithm will stop promoting this video to people, and before you know it, you find out that your channel becomes stagnant. So you have to make sure you pick a particular niche. Number 2 is ignoring titles and thumbnail. Titles are the ways through which YouTube has made for us that are beginners to be notified to people. People can notice us through our thumbnails and titles. So that is why we have to make sure we craft our thumbnail to entice people. When people are scrolling, they should stop when they see your thumbnail and title, because this is the only thing that will make people to notice you and I as a beginner. If you are on YouTube and you are just creating anyhow titles and pushing it out there, you may have the best video, well packaged, well educative, entertaining, and that has a lot of value. If people did not get to click on it, it's not going to get views, it's not going to drive traffic to your channel, you're not going to get subscribers as well. So you have to make sure you craft a curiosity driving thumbnail and title to bring people to your channel. You must convince people through your titles and thumbnail to click on your channel, and once they click on that channel and see value to that channel, watch to the end of that video, the algorithm will push that video to a people of like mind. Somebody like that person, the YouTube will promote it to the person, and from there you start getting views and subscribers that you deserve. So you have to make sure that your thumbnails and titles are carefully crafted. You get your thumbnails, you can use your Canva and also your CapCut to design a very simple and perfect thumbnail. You must not have the most expensive garden, most expensive apartment for you to create a good thumbnail or whatever, but you can create your thumbnail with Canva, get your pattern from Canva, and also use your CapCut to create a perfect thumbnail for your video. So don't neglect thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails and titles are those things, are two things actually that bring people to your channel, because people don't really patronize a new face on YouTube. You will notice that the first time you post video, you might not even get view at all, despite how you promote it, how you add value to it, the time it take you to edit and do everything. People did not really click on that channel. That does not mean your video is not okay, that you did not really package the video, but what it means that people don't really know you. People flow with people they trust, they like, and believe that will give them value. So if you have to convince people that you can give them value, by the first one, which is the hook, you convince them to stay to the end of this video. I have value that I want to give to you. The second one is to make sure your niche is something that they like, and that is what they have been seeing consistently. And the third one, which will bring them to click, even as I'm scrolling to my YouTube page, that will make me close when I see a kind of thumbnail that drives curiosity, that is very good looking. But if you don't have that, these three things I'm telling you, your channel is going to be stagnant for a long time, and you are going to keep complaining and complaining and complaining. So you have to make sure that your first 10 seconds of your video hook people, and also have a particular niche that you post, and also make sure you plan for your titles and thumbnail. Create a well-crafted titles and thumbnail. And one place you can get your title is you can use your TubeBuddy to get your titles, and to also CapCut and Canva to create a good thumbnail for your video. So if you find value on this video, please don't forget to smash that subscription bell, give this channel a thumbs up, and also comment hook on this channel if you want me to make video on how you can create a perfect and a well-crafted thumbnail for your video. So see you in my next video. Take care.